So maybe you are afraid in order to attend networking events because, well, maybe you feel like you're just not that good with people. You might have a reserved personality. Let me tell you what I would do in your situation. Number one, I would absolutely not focus on me, because anytime when we feel scared, it's all about me, right? And what you really want to do is just get present and maybe really totally focus on the person that's right in front of you. Number two is know that networking event is not necessarily to just get communication with everybody. So even if you stand by yourself and some people come up to you, it is for you to just connect 1 or 2 seconds with that person. And a great way to connect is, and practice this, practice. All you do is lean inward, raise your eyebrows immediately and say, "Hello, my name is Rene Kamstra." That immediately will give you a really good connection with the person in front of you. And that way, whatever they want to say to you will work for you. Again, you do not need to be the perfect networker. It's not about that. It is about meeting 1 or 2 people, or maybe 3 at an event that you could really have a connection with, so that later you can catapult your business with that person.